So welcome back to the home office series. As you know, I have already been creating a lot of videos related to the home office setup which I have been doing. So we did the desk, we did the standing desk, we did the monitors, and we did the cable management and everything. So the next in line is the monitor arm, because I really need a lot of desk space on the desk and I don't like this clutter anyway. So what we're going to do today is unbox the Amazon dual monitor arm, and let's go ahead with this. The best thing about the Amazon Basics product is that they have some really good packaging. The box itself contains the dual arm, the rod on which the dual arm would be mounted, and a dual clamp on which the rod would be mounted and attached to the desk. Assembling the monitor arm is very easy. The manual which they have provided is very detailed and all the steps are marked point wise. Even the screws and the Allen keys required in each step is marked using different alphabets on the packaging itself. It's very easy, trust me, you won't have any problem at all. But even if you have, you can just follow this timelined version of the assembly so that you can have some reference with you. Once the VESA mount has been attached to the monitor using the thumb screws, all you have to do is attach the rod to the desk using the dual clamps. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Just make sure that there is enough support at the bottom of the table. Once that is done, you have to attach the monitor to one of the dual arms. It's a cumbersome process, so I would definitely recommend that you take help of someone. The dual arms do have a lot of joints which can be loosened and tightened using an Allen key, and this ensures that the movement of the arms is stable and the monitors don't droop forward or stoop low. The cable management of the entire setup is very well as well. The wires come out from the back, and using different clips on the arm itself, they go to the top of the rod which has a hole, and all the wires enter through it. This is not visible from the front. The wires come out of a hole at the bottom of the rod so that it reaches the appropriate places easily, and the wires also don't pull or bend a lot when the arms are being pulled forward or pushed backward, so that is a good feature to have as well. The monitor arm gives a very cool effect to the monitors. It appears as if they are floating on top of the desk. So that has a lot of positives. You can clean the desk, you can use the desk space in any way you want. But it definitely makes the entire desk setup look very, very clean. There was one more monitor arm available, like a dual monitor arm available on Amazon, off Amazon Basics. It was like a modular arm, but the only drawback was that it consumed a lot of space at the back, and I really wanted to push the desk as close to the wall as possible, and this monitor dual arm does enable me to do that. From a flexibility perspective, this arm does everything you need from a monitor arm. You can rotate your monitor, you can push your monitor back, you can bring it to the forward, you can even tilted upwards or downwards. The only disadvantage is that you can't easily adjust the height of the monitor. You have to loosen the bolt and lift the dual monitor arms up and down according to your needs. But that's not a deal breaker for me because I'm not going to change the height of the monitors much, and at this price value, this is complete bang for bucks. So that's all from this episode of the Home Office series. If you're liking this series, please do like and subscribe, as that would be really very motivating for me. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Until next time, Sumit.